Got zucchini for lunch? No problem. Grab 2 medium zucchinis. Trim ends, grate with the coarse side. Zucchini all grated? Awesome. Now boil it up. Add salt to draw out water. Let it sit for 10 minutes. Meanwhile, cube 4, 5 peeled potatoes. First time seeing my recipes? Exciting! Comment your location below. I'll shout you out next time. Pop those potatoes in a pot. Medium heat, covered, 10-15 minutes. Finely chop cilantro or parsley for flavor. "10 minutes up for the zucchini. Now place it in a colander and press well with a spatula to remove all the water. We need it dry for our recipe to turn out perfect. Set it aside for now. We'll come back to it shortly. Pay attention to the potatoes. Once cooked, remove from heat, drain and place them in a bowl. Time to mash. If you've made it this far, you're hooked on this recipe. I knew it, my friend. If I'm right, comment below. I love zucchini for a special shout out later. Hey! Now mix the mashed potatoes with the grated zucchini. Add 4 tablespoons cornstarch, salt, pepper to taste, and the reserved chopped parsley. Mix until you have a uniform dough. What's coming next is simply glorious. On a cutting board, add some flour and roll out the mixture with a rolling pin. Using a medium bowl, cut circles in the dough. Next, cut those circles in half and place a good chunk of mozzarella in the center. Fold them like empanadas and use a fork to seal the edges well. Fry them in hot oil for 3-5 minutes per side until golden and crispy. When you smell that aroma, wow! If you've made it this far, you're clearly enjoying this recipe. So comment below. I love empanadas. I'll confirm and send you a special shout out. This dish is truly incredible. Wow!